What is up, guys? So it's day 2 with the bus, and like we said, we kind of just jumped in without a clue and kind of a little more spur of the moment. One thing that we absolutely didn't consider was parking. So here's our bus, here's our house, and this is our driveway. So right now we have a small issue. One thing we knew when we bought the bus was it immediately needed 3 batteries. So on the way home, we did go on and purchase those batteries. Haven't got them changed out yet. So gonna get those changed out today. So I'm gonna go on and get started working a little bit and just see how my mechanicking skills are. Well, let's see if I'm a halfway decent mechanic. Woo! It's not much to change out batteries, but hey, it's a small win. What's up, guys? It is day 1 of demo, and we are so excited to get started on this bus. We've almost got all the mechanical issues fixed. All we've got left is a fuel line that we should be able to take care of fairly easily. But from here, we're going to go on and strip everything out down to bare walls and bare ceiling so we can kind of get an idea of what we got to work with. But what we do have at our benefit is walls and ceiling are already insulated. We've also got electric run through the majority of the bus. Where this wasn't a true school bus, it was a Kentucky Blood Center bus. That does give us a little leg up. So we're going to try to work around that and hold all of that stuff in. But we'll see what we wind up getting into. I'm sure we'll find some issues as we get started. Just another absolutely beautiful day to work on the bus. Like we said, this bus was a blood donation bus. And it's definitely evident. Just little extras you get to find. Well, it's definitely coming along. We've got stripped up to the wheel wells. Got a little bit more work left to do. We should have demo done sometime this week, and then we can really get an idea of how we want to do this bus. What a beautiful Sunday morning. I think it'd be well spent tearing stuff up. Wonder if we should save those. Well, it's nice to have a microwave and a fridge, but we don't need them there. We gotta take them out. Well guys, we got half of the bus completely demoed, and I'm about 2/3 of the way on the other half, about to get it done. Had to take a short break to mow the lawn, but daggone, don't it look good. Ain't nothing better than a freshly mowed lawn. So we've got this whole right side already completely pulled out. That stuff's just ready to go out. I actually got a buddy coming to help me with that here in just about an hour or so, but I only got him for a little bit, so I'm gonna try to get this whole left side pulled before he gets here, because I'm gonna need help lifting those. You know, I'm actually starting to get the hang of this, but now I'm about done.
Alright guys, so Josh honestly did most of the work in here. He got all of the cabinets and the nice little recliners and cushions out with some help from his friend Alex. So now we have a blank slate pretty much to work with. I think we've had a pretty successful weekend. What do you think, Josh?
I think it's good. Blank slate. Ready to start designing stuff. Make sure y'all leave any suggestions down in the comments. Like I said, it's our first time. We're open to any ideas.
As far as demolition inside goes, we have those 2 back screening rooms to do, and we got to take out all that kind of old looking blue lining from around the top and around the front. So that's what we're going to be working on next. Make sure you all like this video and subscribe to our channel. Like Josh said, leave us any suggestions you have. We're open to them. This is our first time doing anything with a bus, or, you know, basically building a home on wheels. So we really appreciate your all support. We'll see you next time.